Good morning. It is 6 a.m. or just after. I figured I'd take you guys along on one of my kind of days of detailing and kind of just getting everything done. So I got to start off the day by finishing up preparing my video that's going to go up today. So today's actually Friday that I'm actually filming this, and the sky is so pretty too. Hang on. I mean, how is that for a sunrise? Right? Freaking unbelievable. Okay, so I got to do my, I did a thumbnail, the video's done. I just got to do all the description real quick. So I'll show you guys that process, and then we'll get my van ready right there, get that thing ready for the day, and then head out. All right, guys, so this is my computer setup. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the internet. This is my thumbnail for the video that obviously you guys will have seen this video already. So, but that's the thumbnail. Let's see here. So this is the back end of the YouTube studio. So you upload the video, put in your title, you put in your description, all that kind of good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, figure out the description. It's kind of like internet search engine optimization, right? You wanna put in some keywords and stuff through that so that people can actually find your video well. So takes a little bit of brain power, so I'm gonna put you guys down and get through it. All right, guys, so the edit is done. That's all set up and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get my van ready now. Again, I've got quite a few cars to do today. Nothing crazy, mostly just wash services. These are maintenance clients that I have pretty much every Friday. One of them's every Friday, the other ones kind of rotate, but quite a few cars to get done today. So I got my van right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing ready. It's been raining in San Diego, so I left the van dirty the last time I used it, so I got to clean all that up. Here we go. Alrighty, guys, so I'll give you a quick rundown really fast. Just got tools and stuff in that bin. This bin, which I'll go around the other side of the van. So I've got my chemicals on the sides here, pressure washer. I'm using the AR currently, generator, buckets. So I have my 200 GSM black edgeless drying towels that I always use. Blue, kind of my all-purpose towels. I have some Creature, I think they're the Creature edgeless in there. This is the one I always use. Obviously my IMJOSHV foam cannon, hose reel, all that kind of good stuff. We're gonna go back around to the other side now. I always keep a pack of Costco microfibers, just in case for any bulk work, something where I don't care and I just need to get the work done, wheels and things like that, or just really dirty surfaces. I keep that with me. I have all my drying towels stacked up here. So the Mega Knot has been my go-to giant drying towel. Obviously, we've got a Gauntlet here. We have some from Max Shine twist loop ones. We have that new Rapid Dry towel that I just made a video about. This thing's awesome as well. Got my water tank, extension cords, all that kind of good stuff. A DI system here. If I run out of water, I can fill up at a customer's house. So let's go ahead and get on the road. So we're all loaded up. We're heading out to the first customer. I'm gonna fire on my app that I use. So I use an app called pocketsuite. It pretty much, it's my little assistant for my business, really. So I do all my scheduling, all my contact through, to my customers. You actually can get your own separate business line through them, so customers can text you with that. I accept all my payments through that. All the customers' information, their address, all that kind of good stuff. Within the app, I can just click on the appointment that's set for today, click on the address, it goes over to, I don't know, Google Maps or Apple Maps or whatever it is. It gives me my direct time. I can even set it up where I can have it automatically let the customer know when I'm a certain distance or a certain time amount out. So it's a fantastic app. I highly recommend it. It's honestly what I run my entire business on. So pocketsuite is what it's called. I'll link that down in the description for you guys, along with, again, all the tools that I use. You can see this mess of towels here. Again, a bunch of different drying towels. We already went over those, but I absolutely love a good quality drying towel because it makes your life so much easier. So anyways, I'm just gonna get on the road here, open up pocketsuite, plug in that address, and head out to my first appointment. It's 2 Teslas. They're both getting washes and sealants, and then we'll move on to the next one, but I'll see you guys at the first appointment. All right, guys, so for today's video, it's obviously not a tutorial DIY or explanation of how to wash a car. I'm just doing clips of it here, just showing you guys the basic process of what I'm doing: foaming down the car, contact washing, rinsing, and then I didn't film it here, but I do apply a spray sealant as well to the vehicle, cleaning up the wheels, all that kind of good stuff, as well as vacuuming the interiors. So I do this first one. This is a husband and wife setup. One drives a gray one, the other one drives a white one. So it's a little switch there. But basically, yeah, and right here, I'm just using that rapid dry towel. Again, I actually used that towel for both these vehicles, and it worked out great. All right, guys, so we just finished up that first job. That was just a basic, trash truck going by. Basic wash service, interior vacuum and wipe down, and a sealant on the paint. I charged them $125 each vehicle, so it came to $250. I was there from it's 11:05 right now, so 2 hours, $250 in the book. And now I'm gonna be heading on to my next appointment. They actually paid cash. That customer always pays cash. So I'm gonna go into the pocketsuite app, just mark it paid, and then you can select what kind of payment, mark it cash. And then I'm gonna rebook them for a month out again, because they always do monthly. The next customer I'm gonna head over to, again, I'm just gonna grab the address from pocketsuite, get the directions over there. This is a customer, I really don't need that actually. I go to this customer every Friday, so I'm very aware of how to get there. But anyways, we're gonna head over there, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so we're about to pull up to the next customer. This is a customer that I've had for a number of years. Great car collection. There's 6 or 8 cars, currently 8, I believe. But anyways, with this customer, he just lets me like go through them. They don't all get driven. It's just whichever one's dirty, I just go ahead and take care of. Usually do between 2 and 3 cars each time I come. So we'll assess that. I'm gonna go ahead and get through the gates here, and then we'll jump back into it. Well, I just pulled up to the house, and they're getting a bunch of other work done at the house. So there was a bunch of work vehicles blocking the on the driveway, blocking the garages, so I can't get the cars out. So I'm going to my other customer now. We'll go back there again afterwards, see if they cleared out. If they did, great, we'll take care of it. If not, I'll probably just go back tomorrow and take care of it for them. So anyways, we'll head off to another one. This is just, again, this this customer is a every other week customer. It's just a nice Lexus. They like to keep it clean, so we'll head over to that. Alrighty guys, we just finished up for the day. As you can see, the sun is starting to set. Currently it is 5 p.m. So first job started at 9, got those 2 cars done, then went about an hour each, then went and did the other car, the Lexus, same exact job. So that one was also built out at 125. And then let's see here, that one was about an hour as well. Then went over and took care of my other customer. I did 3 vehicles that you saw. So we did the Lincoln Navigator, we did the Bentley Bentayga, and the Royce Cullinan. And then I also cleaned up one of his golf carts as well. And with tip and everything, for the total today was just over $1,200 bucks, $1,215. I worked from 9 a.m. technically, right, of actually being there. Now I do have travel time and all that factored in there as well, but 9 to 5. I grabbed lunch from one spot to another, so I didn't actually take any time for it, but just ate in the car on the way. But $1,200 bucks for the day. Fantastic day. Not every day is like that, guys. I want to be clear about that. Not every day is like that. This is my Friday, where I always have I'm pretty close to that total every Friday, which is phenomenal. I'm very lucky to have those customers. So that's it, guys. That is it for today's video. Again, I'll link the stuff that I use every day. I'll also link the pocketsuite app for you guys, so you can use that and build your business through that as well. But yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along for the day. I know this video is definitely different than what I normally do, and I personally don't know how to edit this stuff. So if it was kind of a boring video, let me know. Comment down below if you liked it or did not like it. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell. We will see you on the next one.